Welcome to BikeZone, your ultimate destination for the latest motorcycle reviews and performance insights. Today, we take a close look at one of the most popular entry-level sport bikes in the world, the Kawasaki Ninja 400, a machine that perfectly blends power, style, and everyday usability. Engine and performance. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is powered by a 399cc parallel twin engine that delivers strong low-end torque and impressive mid-range performance. With smooth throttle response and refined power delivery, this bike feels fast yet controllable, making it ideal for both new riders and experienced enthusiasts. Its lightweight chassis enhances acceleration and overall agility. Design and styling. Inspired by Kawasaki's legendary Ninja lineup, the Ninja 400 features aggressive aerodynamics, sharp fairings, and a race-inspired stance. The LED headlights and sporty tail section give it a premium supersport look that stands out on city roads and highways alike. Handling and ride quality. Thanks to its trellis frame and balanced weight distribution, the Ninja 400 offers excellent handling and cornering confidence. The suspension setup provides a comfortable ride for daily commuting while remaining stable during spirited riding. Dual-channel ABS ensures reliable braking performance and added safety. Technology and features. The Ninja 400 comes equipped with a modern digital instrument cluster displaying speed, gear position, fuel level, and more. Its assist and slipper clutch reduces fatigue and improves control during aggressive downshifts. Final verdict. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and style. Whether you're entering the world of sport bikes or looking for a fun and reliable machine, this motorcycle delivers an exciting riding experience every time. For more bike reviews and updates, stay connected with BikeZone and don't forget to subscribe.